Hi there, I'm so glad you can make it. My friends and I here have been waiting for you. We're just about to get ready for Christmas. Hi there, my name is Kovu and I am an eager, cruelty-free bone collector. I have realised that some people prefer flesh on the bones, and each to his own. I've got flesh on my bones myself. So in this video, I thought I would show you some ideas on how you and your flesh-tastic friends can get ready for the festive season. Now let's start with an easy one. A rat. Rodents, such as rats and squirrels, are quite easy to work with as they have a long slender body, the fur isn't too delicate, and they should be quite sturdy. The fun thing about taxidermy is that you can shape and mend the animals however you want, and this one is quite an old one, so it is on this fine piece of wood right here, but if yours is fresh, you might still have time to make some fun shapes. Here are some examples on what you can do to make it Christmas themed. Now rats have a bit of a bad reputation to be these gross little creatures. As a former rat owner myself, I highly disagree. With just a few simple tools you can transform this rat into the angel it really is. Now if you go into any craft shop around Christmas, you should be able to quite easily find a few pre-made angel wings. If not, you can easily cut yours out yourself from paper. Ah, perfect. Now you can just pop these on, grab some pipe cleaners such as these. These are in silver, but you can choose whatever colour you like. Now, tie a ring. Then you shape it a little bit, wrap it around, and give it a few adjustments if needed. Here comes the wings again. And there you go, perfect! Now for our second look, we're going to give him a hat to keep his little ears warm. Chances are you have a sock lying around, or at least some sort of tunnel-like fabric. Before Christmas in my area, you are able to find these sort of long tunnels of wool. And this is what we're going to make a hat out of. Simply grab one of these and put a piece of string around it, if I can find it. Such as with this one that I made earlier. As you can see, I just tied a piece of string around the top and on it goes. Beautiful! You can also give him a little scarf out of a ribbon if you'd like. We've got this one. We've got these different ones, and you can see whatever colour best fits your hat. You can even use a rainbow one. However, I reckon that he looks beautiful just like this. Now we're going to have a look at something a little bit different. Birds. Birds can be a little bit tough to work with as they are very delicate and you can easily mess up their feathers. Therefore, I'm going to show you some ways you can hopefully avoid this. Let's start with this one. This little bird told me that not everyone celebrates Christmas. Therefore, I will show you a way to dress your friends up for the winter season. What do people like to do in the winter? They like to go skiing, of course. Now, as you can see, this birdie's legs are quite stuck to this fake rock here. However, we can work around that. Carve your own skis out of wood, or find them in a craft shop. Place the skis on top of the legs, trying to hide them, and give him some sticks as well. I forgot that snow is quite essential for going skiing. You can grab this fake beard from one of my Father Christmas creations. You can put it around. Ooh, that's actually a brilliant idea. I can hide the legs as well that way. Am I not an absolute genius? Okay, starting over. To hide the legs, just add this. sometimes it is especially important to work with your friend's unique features. I noticed that this bird has quite a long beak. Pop on a hat. And there you go! This is clearly Ebenezer Scrooge from A Christmas Carol.
Ah! Humbug.
Now, let us have a look at our last friend. This is Mrs. Hedgehog. With just a few simple props, you can put Mrs. Hedgehog in a winter wonderland. I have this tree, I have some pine cones, and there you go! I hope you enjoyed this video and that it gave you some ideas on how you and your friends can celebrate the festive season together. And remember, the sky's the limit, as well as your imagination and your own mortality. Until next time, happy holidays.